Over time, the plastic and vinyl trim on your car fades and looks old. You try conventional trim dressings or miracle products, but nothing works. Pinnacle Black Label Ceramic Trim Restorer restores faded plastic trim to look like new. And application is super easy. First, use Pinnacle Black Label Surface Prep Spray to clean plastic trim to remove any dirt, road film, and/or previously applied trim dressings. Next, use a clean foam or microfiber applicator pad to work the product over and into the plastic trim. Remove any excess using a clean microfiber towel. It's as simple as that. The Pinnacle Black Label Ceramic Trim Restorer is a carbon black pigmented nano-ceramic dye. The way it works is it forms a semi-permanent bond that lasts up to 2 years. For more information, visit Autogeek.com.